Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when x is equals to a power 1 by 3 minus a power minus 1 by 3 and we have to find the value of x cube plus 3x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering this as equation number 1 and now I'm doing cubing both sides. So x cube is equals to a 1 by 3 minus a minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Now here we are going to use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube minus b cube minus bab and bracket a minus b. Here this is our a and this is our b. So now I'm going to put the values here. So a minus b whole cube is x cube is equals to here a power 1 by 3 whole cube minus a power minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 3 times of a, b, and in bracket a 1 by 3 minus a minus 1 by 3 whole power. Now we can eliminate the power with this power. So a minus, similarly here, a power minus 1 minus 3 and in bracket we multiply this with the first number and with the second number. So a power 1 by 3 times a power minus 1 by 3 times a power 1 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3 times a power minus 1 by 3 times a power minus 1 by 3. Now x cube is equals to a minus x power minus 1. We can write it as 1 by x. So it is called 1 by a minus 3. And here if we take common and cancel out, so what is that? A power 1 by 3 minus a power minus 1 by 3. And this is equals to x as per the equation number 1. So x cube is equals to a minus 1 by a minus 3x. So we'll take this minus 3x to other side. So x cube plus 3x is equals to a minus 1 by a. And we have to find the value of x cube plus 3x. So the final answer of x cube plus 3x is a minus 1 by a. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.